Hello friends, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can change your Instagram theme. Okay, this is new feature in Instagram. So we need to go Instagram, click on the Instagram icon, then click right bottom corner, you can see the profile, click on it, and after that click the right top corner three line, okay, you can see, click on it and click the settings, you can see the bottom part, click on it. And here you can see the last one below about, you can see here theme, click on it, and here is three option okay, light, dark, and system default. System default means it depends on your phone. Okay, so if your phone is set in dark mode, then your Instagram automatically set and follow your phone uh, theme. Okay, so if you want to do it manually, so you need to go light, then your Instagram will be made in a light, and if you want to do it in a dark, then it will made the dark. Okay, so it depends in your interest. So friend, thank you for watching in this video.